Hello, students and parents. This is Mrs. Cadena, and I want to show you guys how to use Google Classroom if you haven't enrolled already. So, to get started, you're going to want to get into Clever. I know most of us have done this, but if you haven't, easiest way would be to go to clever.com, and you're going to log in as a student, and then yours, make sure it says Santa Maria Bonita School District up at the top. If it doesn't, you want to click Not Your District, and then you're going to type our school name, Tunnel, and it should pop right up. But you want to make sure that this says Santa Maria Bonita School District. And then you're going to click Log In with Google, and then you're going to see this familiar screen. If you haven't signed in already, you can click Use Another Account. You're going to use your 6-digit student password at students.smbsd.net. Then you're going to click Next and type in your password. If you forgot your username or your password, email me, call me, I have it for you. But for right now, I'm going to go back and I'm going to click my name, just like you would. And you'll pull up your Clever page. Yours should look just like mine. What I want you to do is get in the habit of getting into our Google Classroom every day. First thing in the morning or first time you log in to see any announcements. So I'm going to click Google Classroom. And then you should see our Google Classroom, Mrs. Cadena. I have 17 students in right now. I'd like to have more. You're going to click Join if you haven't already. And I'm going to click right in here. So this is what you're going to see on our Google Classroom. This is the stream. So anything I've uploaded or students have uploaded would be here. But the most important thing for you guys would be the classwork. So I'm going to go up here and click on classwork, and you're going to see the assignments for the week. So the first thing you'll see up here is the week 2 at-home learning calendar. This is for you guys to help you keep you on track with your learning. So you're just going to click it. You're going to open it up. It says week 2 Google Calendar. You can see everything that you're supposed to be doing for the week. You just do a little bit at a time. So for example, yesterday was Tuesday, so this is what I expect students to do on Tuesday. Read 30 minutes on Epic, and you guys know how to get on Epic. I'll show you real quick. Go back to your Clever page. Click on Epic. If you need a class code, it's HTJ6296. And you're going to log in. I'm going to do it this way. And here are, you know how to use Epic. Here are all the books that you can read. I can also see what you guys are doing and how you're reading. So, for example, our friend Adrian, he read for 5 minutes, Spooky Wolf Spiders. He hasn't finished it yet. So I can see all the books that you're reading. So it's your choice. This is your reading time. So I want you to read at least 30 minutes on Epic. I'm going to go back to that Google Calendar or this learning calendar. Then I also want you to do one Achieve article a day. Just one, guys, and do a great job on it. You guys know how to use Achieve. Go back to Clever, click on Achieve, and you can pick any article you want. Just do a great job on it, okay? And you're trying to get 75% or higher on the first try. So then I'm just going to go and follow the calendar. So the next thing is the writing. It says complete the green and yellow parts of the outline. This week we're writing about spooky wolf spiders. And I'm going to go back and show you how to get there. You're going to go back to our Google Classroom, and in this same tab, this classwork tab, if you scroll down, you're going to see week 2, writing. You're going to click on the writing wolf spiders. And if you click on the Google Slides, you'll see all the directions that you need to complete. So the first thing I want you to do is read this book on Epic. It's called Spooky Wolf Spiders. It's all about the wolf spider. And then Monday, I wanted you to complete the circle map just like we do in class. And you just double click inside the box and you can write whatever you need to write. Don't forget to put your name on it. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, I wanted you guys to work on the outline. So your topic sentence, well, if you read the prompt, it says, how do wolf spiders survive in the wild? So your topic sentence would be something like, you can go back to here. It could be, I know many things about how wolf spiders survive in the wild. So I'm going to write, I know many things about how wolf spiders survive in the wild. And then I'm going to put some transition words in here. So you might write first, second, third. You might choose different ones. And then you're going to fill out the green and the yellow parts Tuesday, but today is Wednesday. So I want you to go ahead and fill in the red parts as well, the examples. And so today, your job is to go ahead and try and finish this whole outline and look for some feedback on here from me after I've read it all. So that's writing. I'm going to go back to the calendar. The next thing I'd like you to do is a little bit of math. So for math, you have 2 jobs. You have MobyMax Fact Fluency. So I want you to get on that for 10 minutes. So you're going to go back to Clever. You're going to click on MobyMax. And then my screen looks a little bit different than yours, but you'll see something that looks like this. You want to click on Fact Fluency. And then, of course, some problems will come up for you. But for me, on my end, I can see who's jumping on. Like Adriana jumped on, good girl, spent 12 minutes on. Emmanuel jumped on. Evelyn jumped on yesterday. Gabriel jumped on yesterday. So I want you to spend at least 10 minutes doing their math facts. All right. Then your other job for math is to do these IXLs. So first, I wanted you to watch some information on perimeter. So you're going to click this link, and it's going to take you to a YouTube video. So for example, I want you to watch this video on perimeter to get an idea about how to do it. Oops. So I want you, sorry. So you're going to watch this video on how to calculate perimeter. And then after you watched it and had a good idea about how to do it, I want you to go to IXL. And I want you to do the 2 IXLs that it says. So it says LLY and 65Z. So let's look at LLY. You guys know how to do this. LLY, yes, perimeter of polygons. And you're going to find the perimeter of the shape. So I see 2 inches down here, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So that's going to be 5 inches. And I'm going to do that. I'm looking for a SMART score of 85 or higher. That lets me know, hey, I know what I'm doing. I'm ready to move on. So there's 2 IXLs that I want you guys to be doing daily. So you can see that here. And then the last thing I want you to do is the other. So this week, I'm asking you to do a mystery science quiz. So you can find that back at the Google Classroom as well. So I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom. I'm in the classwork tab. And I'm going to scroll down to, it says Mystery Science. I'm going to click on the assignment. And I'm going to watch the Mystery Science video about how does hand sanitizer kill germs. And then after I've watched it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times to get a good idea, I'm going to go to the Mystery Science little quiz, and I'm going to take the quiz about the video I just watched. Some people have already done that, and that's great. So good for you guys. I think, who's done it already? Gabriel, Adriana, Adrian, Leopoldo, Vincent, Jocelyn, Jimena, and Kimberly have all taken that quiz, so thanks, guys. So that is our Google Classroom. That is clever. And this calendar will really keep you guys on track and kind of give you a guide as to what to do a little bit every single day. I hope you guys are staying healthy and being active outside as well. So if you have any questions, email me, call me. I'm here for you. And I can see everything you're doing. So do a great job. All right, guys. Hope to see you soon.